Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can reduce wind noise from your videos on CapCut PC. CapCut mobile. So this is what your video will sound like before. Hopefully you can hear it. It's very windy and loud and stuff, but I want to reduce the noise of the audio. So just select the video, scroll until you find reduce noise. You have to select the clip or else it won't show. Reduce noise and enable it and press the checkmark button, and that is what the video will sound like after it reduced the noise. As you can see, the wind noise isn't there anymore. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!